As a guy, we know everything there is to working out, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to lay out the 3 big mistakes you're doing at the gym. Hi, I'm Tyler, and this is 517 Fitness, the YouTube channel dedicated to helping you lose weight, gain faith, and become the man of God you were designed to be. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. When it comes to the gym, we all have our own personality and things we like to do when we're there. But here are 3 huge mistakes we're making at the gym. Number 1, we're always going for the big lift. Don't get me wrong, I want to be strong in the deadlift, the bench press, squats, bent over rows, those main compound movements. I want to be strong just as much as you do. But in that journey, that fight to get more and more strength, we tend to forget about the other components to health and fitness. Our flexibility, our mobility, our cardio, the ability to our functional fitness. I mean, it's one thing to be able to bench press 400 pounds, but if you can't do 20 push-ups, how is that really going to affect your day-to-day life? Let me encourage you by saying, please continue going for strength, but add in some of those functional movements, some of those flexibility, mobility type exercises. You'll start to see an overall better performance in your body. Number 2, an irrational hate. It cracks me up when I'm talking with people and they start judging what other people's exercises are that they're doing. And they have this irrational hate for certain exercise equipment. Some guys, if you remotely touch a cable system, they think you're less of a lifter than they are because all they use is barbells and big old metal plates and whatnot. Or God forbid you actually use one of the machines that really isolates the muscle you might be trying to hit. So let's take a step back. We don't know what people are actually trying to achieve when they're at the gym. So let's get rid of that irrational hate we might have for certain components of things. With that said, you're a male. Don't ever be on this machine. And number 3, stunts. If you want to have a painfully good time, throw into YouTube search bar gym fails. And you are going to watch guy after guy, and yes, 90% of them are men, doing stupid things at the gym. From balancing on medicine balls and doing kettlebell swings to doing no hand hold back squats. Stunts at the gym are stupid. If you want to do stunts, become a stuntman. The gym is not the place for them. You look like an idiot. So with that, those are the 3 big mistakes us men are making at the gym. With that said, I would love to hear your stories of some fails you maybe have seen at gyms, or was there a mistake I missed? Let's talk about it in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and click right here to subscribe to this channel. And after you do that, go ahead and watch this video that YouTube and I think you'll enjoy. And with that, God bless, finish strong, and I will see you in the next video.